I just say that on video just now.
I didn't know you were doing a video.
I wasn't until like a second ago when I saw how pretty it looked. Because this was probably really illegal and dangerous, but I've taken pictures while I was driving in really bad storms, like on my way home from work. I never get to do it from this kind of view.
Should I keep driving then?
Don't drive through the red light now.
No. Well, like... Adventure? I'm not going through a red light.
I know, I'm joking with you, dear.
It's a shame that Walmart we went to last night, or whatever night it was,
Yeah.
it's supposed to be 24 hours after COVID. I don't think it's 24 hours anymore.
I know, everyone changed their things and never went back. Friday?
Sounds like it.
It's terrible. And it's going to be 3 degrees tomorrow. That's not even... There's nothing normal about that. Alright guys, if you are watching this still, this is New Jersey. South Jersey. Evesham. We're on Route 70 right now. Well, we're leaving Route 70 right now. As you can see, the roads are lovely. So last night we gave you a tour of the woods, which I haven't posted yet, and that was pre-snowstorm. Today was the snowstorm. Straight ahead down there was Main Street. That's where we walked before. That's my car. Looks very pretty, covered in white. It's okay, it's a white car. There's the snow people.
Another truck.
There's more snow people. We don't have any. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. January 2025.